Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Cloudy Bell. How are you doing? Alright, if you are new to my channel, you are welcomed. And if you are a subscriber, a new subscriber, welcome back. If you have been with me, welcome back. Let's ride on. Alright, so today we're gonna be talking about cloves. Cloves, what it actually is, and the benefits of cloves. Clove, all right, let me show you what I'm talking about. Actually, this is clove. I have just like a small amount. I hope you can see this. It's a flower bud. It's clove is it's a spice. It's like a flower bud. It grows in a big tree. It's more to Asian cuisines, and it has a unique taste and a unique aroma to it. It's a very nice warming herb. It's so warming to the system. It's so health beneficial. All right, so I also have, which is the main reason I'm making this video. This is clove water. This is what I drink most of the days. So what I do is I can take herbal, whatever I start to do at the time. I will take it for like 7 days, 2 weeks to a month. Then I'll take a break. So this is my clove water. Just a little. You can see the clove is already settled. I've already refilled this one time. So just a little bit amount of clove is all you need. Put it in a bottle, top it up with water, and keep it on the counter or in the fridge overnight. And then you start to take 1 cup every morning. So it's very, very beneficial to health. So clove, we're gonna be jumping into benefits of cloves. Clove is very loaded. It has eugenol as its major potent active ingredient. Is a chemical compound. Eugenol is a chemical compound, and clove contains about 80% of this. Eugenol is very potent in helping with reducing oxidative stress, reducing toxins. It contains antimicrobial property, antibacterial property, anti-inflammatory property. Clove also contains flavonoids and a lot of phytochemicals. So clove is really, really nutritious and loaded with a lot of health beneficial compounds and chemicals. All right, so let's talk about the benefits of cloves. So clove helps to, number one is that clove helps with blood pressure regulation. It helps to reduce blood sugar level or to regulate the level in the body. So diabetes, if you suffer from diabetes, which is basically high blood sugar level in the body. So diabetes is a metabolic disorder whereby your pancreas is either not producing enough insulin, or your pancreas is not, or your body's resistance to insulin. So insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas to help carry sugar or carbohydrate from the bloodstream and disperse it into the cells, where they are being used as energy and also store the remaining for later use. So when your body's system is out of balance, like you're not making enough or you're being resistant to the insulin itself, that's where you start to have high blood sugar levels. So clove imitates that insulin activity, thereby helping to regulate your blood sugar levels. So if you are taking cloves on a regular basis, you'll be sure to start to have your blood sugar level regulated, especially if you're diabetic. Also, clove helps with your liver. We all know the liver is a small organ, but it has a massive, huge task to it. So your liver is the major or the main detoxification organ in the body. It has a lot of load because it has to filter, detoxify, and remove toxins from the body. So sometimes due to other conditions, or your system is shutting down, or overwork of the liver is not able to function properly. So that can also lead to metabolic issues or conditions. And that's where clove comes in, because clove have microbial property, anti-oxidative property. So it helps to neutralize oxidative stress. It helps to detoxify toxins and helps to get it out of the system. It helps with anti-inflammation, which thereby may be due to stress or so many things, conditions that we are passing through. So clove helps a lot with your liver functioning. All right. Also, clove helps with the gut and the intestines. Clove is warming. It helps to it has antiviral property also, which gives it the ability to fight the flu and the cold. It's a warming spice, very essential. It's, I will say, it's considered a superfood. Maybe some people do not know about clove, but it's really, really, really a nutritious thing. You can put it in the bakery stuff, maybe in the cake or in the ice cream, a ground one though. But I prefer to use in a tea form. Another benefit of clove is that clove helps to regulate blood pressure. It brings your blood pressure down. It regulates it so that it doesn't go either up or down. Clove is warming and it helps with blood circulation. It is said that clove contains anticoagulant property and antiplatelet property. That also can help it to prevent any blood clots. That can, whatever that prevents circulation in the body, clove is into that. All right. So in that sense, we can say that clove helps to regulate your blood pressure by helping with blood circulation, getting your nutrients and oxygen to various places that is needed in the body. All right, so the fourth one would be that clove also helps with your bone health. It contains manganese, which helps with bone health, bone tissue formation and bone health, preventing osteoporosis or other bone diseases or conditions. Clove is also said to help boost your immune system. So it has antibacterial property, anti-inflammatory property, antiviral property. So with this, it also helps to increase your white blood count. And when your white blood count is increased in an effective way, it helps you to fight off infections, especially cold and flu. It also helps in the treatment and prevention of toothache and decay, and helps to heal or cure gingivitis, which is gum disease. All right, clove is a mercy. Well, this is let me pick it up anyways. This is a small spice that does all this job. I hope you can see this. Clove is very, very nutritious. So another benefit of clove is that it contains vitamins, a lot of vitamins. The ones that are standing out is vitamin A and vitamin C. So vitamin A, we all know it helps with skin pigmentation, helps to rejuvenate our skin, making our skin color to brighten out, make us looking good and fresh, All right, I'm not joking anyways, but there is a lot of benefits, health benefits with clove. It's a very good, nutritious spice. Also, there is a caution to taking clove also. So clove, because it contains anticoagulant property and antiplatelet property, so it can be said that it may counteract the effect or the response of some medications because of that anticoagulant or antiplatelet properties. So if you are taking any medication, especially anticoagulants or something, please be cautious and always seek medical advice before embarking on the usage of any herb or over-the-counter stuff. All right, so there is a lot of benefits to clove. I may have not said it all, but the major ones, I think I pointed them out. All right, so thank you for watching my video. Please click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel, and also click that like button. If you have a question or if you have some comments, drop by, please. Ring, ring, ring. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope I said it all. Alright, clove is a very nutritious spice. And I prefer water, possibly